Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Adistina Laisati, student ID 20523040. And here I will explain my material about modal verbs in English, usage and rules, understanding how to use can, could, might, and might. What are modal verbs? Modal verbs are auxiliary or helping verbs that express different meanings such as ability, possibility, necessity, permissions, and obligations. They are used with the base form of the main verbs without to. Why are modal verbs important? Modal verbs play a crucial role in English communication. They help us express different states of meaning such as ability, possibility, permissions, necessity, and polite request. Without modal verbs, sentence would sound unnatural or incomplete. Okay, first is modal verbs can and could. Modal verbs can and could are used to express ability, possibility, permissions, and requests. However, they have different meaning. And the first of politeness. Okay, what is can? Can is a modal verb used in the present and future too. First is ability, being able to do something, and the second possibility, something that is possible, and the third, permissions, giving or asking for permissions, and the fourth, request, asking someone to do something. Uses of can. First, expressing ability, skill or talent. Used when talking about something a person of or thing is able to do in the present or future. And the second, expressing possibility, something that can happen. Used to talk about things that are generally possible or likely. And the third, asking for giving permissions, informal. Can is often used to ask for permissions, though it is informal. And the fourth, making requests, informal, used to ask someone to do something for you. Okay, the next is what is could. Could is the past tense of can and is also used for possibility, polite request, possibility, less certain than can, and suggestion. Uses of could. First is expressing past ability, used to talk about abilities in the past. And the second, making polite requests, more formal than can. Could is a more polite way to ask for something. And the third, expressing possibility, less certain than can. Could suggest something might happen but is less certain than can. And the fourth, making suggestion or giving advice. Could is using to suggest something or give alternative. And the next is key difference between can and could. For ability, present or future. Can I swim fast? And could. In past, I could swim when I was a child. And the second possibility, present or future. I can swim fast. And could, weather change. It could be dangerous. And the third, permissions, informal. Can I leave early? And more polite, could I leave early? And the fourth, request, less formal. Can you help me? And more polite, could you help me? Uh, can and could are powerful modal verbs that help express ability, possibility, permissions, and polite requests. Understanding when to use them correctly can greatly improve your skill communication. Okay, and the next is modal verbs may and might. May and might are modal verbs used to express possibility, permissions, requests, and wishes. While they are similar, they have different level or certainty and formality. Okay, what is may? May is a modal verb used to first express possibility, ex- and second ask for give permissions, third make polite requests, and the fourth express wishes or hopes. Uses of may: expressing possibility, a stronger change, used when something is likely to happen. And the second, asking for and giving permission. Formal, may is used in formal situations to ask for or give permissions. And the third is making polite requests. May is used for very polite requests, especially in formal situations. And the fourth, expressing wishes or hopes. May is used in formal or poetic expressions to express hope and wishes. And the next is what is might. Might is a modal verb used to express possibility, make a polite request, and suggest hypothetical situation. Uses of might: first, expressing possibility. A weaker chance than might, used when something is less likely to happen. And the second, talking about hypothetical situation, unreal or less likely. Might is often used in conditional or hypothetical situations. And the third, making polite requests, less common than may. Might is rarely used for polite requests, but it sounds very formal and hesitant. And the next is key difference between may and might. First, possibility, stronger change. It may rain 90 to 70%. And weather change, it might rain 30 to 40%. And the second, permissions, may I leave early? And mm, might might I leave early? And the third, polite request, may I help you? And very formal, may I suggest? And the fourth, hypothetical situation, less common and might more common. If I had more time, I might visit Paris. May and might are important modal verbs that help express possibility, permissions, polite requests, and hypothetical situations. Use may for stronger possibilities, formal permissions, and polite requests. The might for weaker possibilities and hypothetical situations. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.